Hello viewers, as a student I know that many of the students struggle with their web project, and also there are some people who wanted to start web development but don't know where to start. You can see the tutorial. I think it will help you for starting. So you can see very basic template here. This is very basic template which I actually took from W3 school and customized it. So if you see this tutorial, I think you can also make a template like this. So first you need to go to W3 school website, then you need to go to Bootstrap 4. Here you can see very basic template for Bootstrap 4. Just you need to go to try yourself, and here you can see all the codes here. You no need to worry about it, you just need to copy it and go to your you can see there is already index.html file which I created earlier. This is totally empty. Open it with your favorite text editor and paste it here, what you just copied from WT school. So after copying it, you can save it and now open it with your browser. Here you can see this is the page which actually took from the W3 school. Now you can easily customize it. So let's go to the code. Here you can see Bootstrap for website temp example. This is actually the title. So first I want to rename the title, so let's give it Prodip. Okay, after that here you can see there is a Jumptron section. This is actually the upper portion or header of this website. I don't want this much space to go in here, so I just want to remove it, replace it with row. So you will understand why I used row later. In this row I will give two columns here actually. So you know that rows and columns, I think you have that idea actually. So in this totally you can take 12. So in the first column I am taking 4, and let it for one column now. After that, in this one column I want to give a logo. I just want to give a logo here with S2 tech. Okay, so if you want to give little description of the logo or a website, you can give it here. After that, S2 tech. Okay, now save it. Now let's work with the navbar. Here you can see the navbar which is the landing page. So I am renaming it home and linked it to HTML index.html. The a tag is for the link. Actually, if you want to link another page, one is page with another, you have to use a tag. Actually in href you'll refer the link. Okay, in this tutorial there will be three pages: one for index which is home, another is for about, and another for actually for contact page. So let's rename it to about and let's give the link about.html. Although I have not created the about page yet, but I will create it later. So let's give it now so that I know need to rename it later. So contact.html. So after that just save it and let's see. Here you can see the upper portion is now not that much bigger at before, and just I have taken another one column. So if you want to take another column you can take it. Now you can see the home and contact is not working as I have not made these two files yet. So now let's go to code again. Here you can see another row. In this row there is two column, one is 4, another is 8. So here you can see this is for 4 and this one for 8, and I just don't want to about me, so I will remove it from here. So remove until unsorted lists, and then I want to take a div with class card, as card is very easy to make website little nice with little actually card is very easy to use and make website little better. Actually, that's why I'm using card so that life it becomes little easier. So in this card body, I want to give a header tag h3 tag. After that I want to give a horizontal line. Actually for that I am giving hr tag. After that I want to paste the unsorted list which I copied earlier. So now let's see. You can see category and active. Okay, I will change it within minute. Okay, let's go back to the code and I want to give the name to C. It's actually just this is just tutorial, so just I am naming it. Actually I am making this video to practice learning, actually to practice English speaking. That's the main goal actually. So sorry for the mistakes and pronunciations. Actually this is my first video. Okay, here you can see the categories now looks little better from earlier. So now come to another div. Here you can see another column with 8. So I will make another div into this class it to card, and within a card I will make another div for class for card body. Actually as a beginner or you want shortcut, you need not to know details about it. Just if you work within this you will understand day by day. So let's just work with it. So just copy it here, and I actually don't want this lines now. For now just remove it. Here I have made a card. I will just copy the card and paste again, so that I will make more cards so that you can see the view easily. So for the second card I will give a style, so that upper margin, so that you can see there is a space between two cards. Actually without a space it will not look so good. So after that I will copy the second card and paste it again and repeat it for sometimes. Now after save you can see there is card and you can see the space between. So I think it's look little nicer than before. So in one page you may have many posts, but in one page it will not look good. You may want to give page number. So for that you can use pagination. So pagination is actually very nice for Bootstrap. So you can go to the WT School again and copy the pagination code. You can see here. I will take the first one and just copy the code, and after the card div you need to paste it, and I want to give the link as well. So just so first one index.html, for the second one actually index 2 dot sorry index 1.html and index 2.html. That's on this. Actually I have not made this page so far. I will make it later. After save, now you can see there is actually page numbers. You may have more page and more numbers, so it's actually your choice. This is actually front end view, actually user view. If you want to work with backend, then later you may know details, but for now it's okay. So this for landing page. Now